Right. I told you, right? Didn't I tell you it was gonna be on YouTube real soon, man? Didn't I tell you it was gonna be on YouTube real soon, man? Worldwide, man. The future will be televised, man.
It's Day Shine, and you're now watching Day Day's Closet. We got my boy Cant with me, and you know I got a big thrift haul today, so you already know it's finna go down. Shit, we got a lot of heat,
A lot of jweps, man.
a lot of jweps, that drip drop. You know what I'm saying?
Drop,
We ain't even finna spend too long. You know what I'm saying? We just finna start off with the video. So, Cam, will you do the honors with the first piece, please?
Man, the first piece, man. The first piece is very unique, man. Very unique, man. It's something that you'll cherish in your closet forever, man. I can't stress this enough, man. Oh, Tinder. Zoom in. Hopefully she matched my flyer, man. I can't lie, man. That pink thing, man. That pink thing. We call this thing that Pink Panther. Pink Panther. You know what I'm talking about? It's that thing that killed John Wayne, man. It's that windbreaker that Jordan came out the locker room with, man.
Show them so they can see, man. Show them for the camera, man.
Every time I step out, it's a movie.
All these pickups we got them exclusively hand-picked, man. You know, I already know how we picking up the thrifts, man.
Crafted by the best, man.
Then we got the Tennessee, you know what I'm saying?
Tennessee like yesterday, man.
The Volunteers edition.
Volunteer, man. Volunteer yourself with the flyness, man.
You feel me?
Come partake in the flyness, man.
Got the motherfucking official licensed product, you know what I'm saying?
Official like a whistle, man.
Nice little fresh pickup, you know what I'm
Yes,
saying?
Yes, sir. Right now we got the Fway, man. Fway is always the answer, man. Disregard what Kanye said, man. I'm talking about, man. Fway will have you looking Fway, man.
Fway will have you looking Fway.
Look.
Any time of day, baby.
I'm talking about, man. It's the Chicago Bears throwback Fway vintage hat, man. No snapback.
Velcro strap in the bottom.
I'm saying, man, this thing like cheetah. Stay cheetah, man.
Yeah, that's peace.
That's peace, man. We got the Alizé Dreaming piece right now, man. Been Alizé Dreaming for quite some time, man.
Alizé Dream.
It's for all my viewers, man. For all my viewers, man, who've been starving like African martyrs, man. Who's really trying to look good, man. Trying to live lavish while stack a few cabbage, man. Definitely come to yours truly like Judge Judy, man. We definitely had a bottle silk shirt, man. The Hawaiian original made in Hawaii, man. So you know sumo wrestlers that been crowded around this, man. Extra large, short sleeve. Like, yes indeed, man. Got the whole bottles, got, man, just a timeless piece, man. Pieces like this will never go out of style, man, because it's real, it's a lot of substance and a lot of meaning behind this, because you can wear this to spring break ready, man. We gonna call this piece the spring break ready piece, man. And it's around spring break time right now, so man, building lives that work, man. Building lives that work, man. They can go berserker.
We got the Gatorade Gainesville Gators jersey,
yes,
man. This is official. You know what I'm saying? Number 8 jersey, you know, Nike. You know,
yeah. I could have
did that thing. No name on the back. You know, just a regular.
No fugazi, man.
Plain.
A lot of people say, man, they sell Nikes, man, but they sell Likes, man. I could have went D1 like Tebow, man.
Now we got the
much, man. And sauce we trust, my guy.
We got this tricolor pinstripe.
It's Wrangler.
Wrangler, bro. Vintage.
You never seen a Wrangler shirt like that, man.
Wrangler.
And a lot of people think Wrangler is just for jeans and it's a Walmart brand, but man, Wranglers make some fly pieces, man. And like I say, man, you getting styled by the best, man, so disregard the rest, man.
Disregard them.
Disregard them, man. 2019 thrift haul, man. Always stay fly with no facade, man.
Always stay fly with no facade.
What else we got, man? We introduced him to the Alizé piece, man. I think we got the rest of the pieces on this side. We got the zipper polo.
Yeah, man.
That's always a go-go.
Go. This is a next
level, man. Next level flyness, man. I'm talking about, man. This one you got all the chains.
Vintage
on, man.
Front zipper.
Yes, sir.
This is a vintage front zipper. You see that? Zip that up right now. Yes, sir.
Zipper like flipper. Yeah.
OG. You know what I'm
OG,
saying?
man. You can wear this with some slacks, man.
Back,
You know, some loafers, man. Steelers, man. Steeler gear. Look how it reappeared. Boom.
Big box Steeler sweatshirt.
Just like that is why I love Magic, man.
Big box Steeler sweatshirt right here.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
Sweat pieces,
Nothing on the
man.
back, plain gray. You know, nice.
You're gonna have these forever, man.
Cotton,
Cotton.
last you forever.
100% cotton. FBO will spoil you rotten with the flyness, man.
FBO will spoil you rotten, man. And you know that's the. You know this video was sponsored by, you know, FBO Classic Apparel.
Fly
You know, the
being
best
obtained,
apparel that is.
Classic apparel, man.
That's all that is to it, man.
We
You
got
already
the bucket
know.
right here is for sale too, man. I forgot, man.
You already know.
Man.
These for sale too.
Yeah, I got the tag on it too, man. Tag
Yeah.
on it, so it's fresh, man. It's fresh.
You already
We
know.
don't even say fresh no more. We say fresh.
For whack.
Fresh. FWESH, man. Fresh.
And we out.
Ah, baby.
Baby.